Welcome students. Students, we are doing triangles and today we will be doing question number 8, 9 and 10 of exercise 6.3. Question number 8 is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and V intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFV. Here diagram is not given. First of all, we have to draw the diagram and we are given that ABCD is a parallelogram. So first of all, we have to draw this parallelogram. Then it is given that AD is produced to E and this E is joined to V and V intersects CD at F, and we have to prove that triangle AVE, this triangle, is similar to triangle CFV. Here we will be using the concept of alternate angles and the angles which are opposite in a parallelogram are equal. These two concepts are to be used to prove this question number 8. Angle V and angle F are alternate angles and AB is parallel to CD because these are opposite sides of a parallelogram, and angle A is equal to angle C because these are opposite angles of a parallelogram. So let us take these two triangles, triangle ABE and triangle CFB, which are to be proved to be similar. Here angle VAE, this angle VAE is equal to angle FCV because these are opposite angles of a parallelogram, and these are corresponding angles in these two triangles because VAE is made by second, first and third letter, and and FCV is also made by second, first and third letter in triangle CFV. So we get first angle which we have to prove equal. Now we will be looking for second angle, and for second angle we will be using the concept of alternate angles. In triangle ABE it is this angle and this is angle AVE, means first, second and third letter, and here first, second and third letter will be making angle CFV and CFV this angle, and these are alternate angles. So we will be writing alternate angles in region, and we got two angles to be equal. So triangle AVE is similar to triangle CFV by AA criterion. Hence proved this way. You have to do question number 8. Now we will be looking for question number 9, and in question number 9 figure 6.39 is given. Here figure is given. Triangle ABC and triangle AMP are two right triangles. Two right triangles are given, ABC and AMP. Right angled at V and M respectively. ABC is right angled at V and AMP is right angled at M. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. ABC is similar to AMP. This is to be proved, and the second part which we have to prove here is the ratio of CA upon PA equal to BC upon MP, and these ratios are made by corresponding sides of these two triangles. So if we can prove part first, then part second gets automatically proved because corresponding sides of similar triangle are proportional, means the proportions found by corresponding sides in similar triangle are equal, and these are proportions found by corresponding sides of these two triangles. So in given we will be writing angle V equal to angle M equal to 90 degree. This is given because angle V and angle M are given to be right angles, and in to prove we will be writing these two parts, and in proof we will be taking these two triangles which we have to prove similar, triangle ABC and triangle AMP. We will be proving these triangles similar by AA criterion. The first angle which we will proving equal is 90 each because these two triangles are right triangles, and the other angle which we will be proving equal here is this angle VAC and MAP because this is common. First of all, we will be taking angle AVC, angle made by first, second and third letter, equal to angle AMP, angle made by first, second and third letter of triangle AMP, and these are right angles ABC and AMP 90 degree each. This is given. Also angle VAC, this is made by second, first and third letter is equal to MAP, angle MAP, and these angles are equal because this is a common angle. VAC, this is angle VAC, and MAP is also this angle, so we get two angles equal here. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Y double A criterion, hence proved. So we get these two triangles to be similar. Therefore part second will be proved automatically because CA and PA are corresponding sides. We have triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP, which implies CA upon PA is equal to VC, and corresponding to VC is MP, and this is what we have to prove, hence proved. This way question number 9 will get completed. And now question number 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACV and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG. Triangle DCV is similar to triangle HGE. Triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Here diagram is not given. First of all we have to draw the diagram, and we are given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. We have to draw two triangles, ABC and FEG. These are similar triangles. So angle A is equal to angle F, angle V is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle G, because corresponding angles of a similar triangle are equal. We have to take these angles to be equal. Second given is the CD and GH are bisectors. This CD and this GH are bisectors of angle ACV and angle FGE or EGF. EGF and FGE is same angle, and this is also given. In to prove we will be writing these three parts, and to prove these three parts we have to prove part number second first, then part number third, and part number first will get automatically proved when we will be proving part number third, because CD and GH are corresponding sides of these two triangles, and AC and FG are also corresponding sides of these two triangles, that is triangles of part third. So when we will be proving part third, part first will get automatically proved. So to prove part second we will be taking triangle DCV and triangle HGE. These triangles are to be proved similar. Here angle V and angle E are equal, angle V and angle E, because these triangles ABC and FEG are similar. So angles of a similar triangle are equal. So first angle which we need we get equal here, and then angle 1 equal to angle 3, because angle C is equal to angle G, and this angle C is half of angle ACV, and this angle 3 is half of angle FGE. So if ACV is equal to angle FGE, then half of angle ACV will be equal to angle half of angle FGE. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Therefore triangle DCV is similar to triangle HGE. Similarly we have to prove part third. In part third, we have to take triangle DCA and triangle HGF. Here, angle A is equal to angle F. Angle A, angle F, because these are corresponding angles of similar triangle ABC and FEG. The angle at first letter, angle at A and angle at F, AF. This is equal because these are similar triangles. Now similarly, angle 2 will be equal to angle 4 because angle C is equal to angle G, and this angle 2 is half of angle C and this angle 4 is half of angle G, because GH and CD are bisectors, and if angle C is equal to angle G, then half of angle C will be equal to half of angle G. That is, half of angle C is equal to half of angle G, and these are angle 2 and 4. So we get triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF YAA criterion. Now we have triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. We have proved this. Therefore, CD, the side made by second and first letter, upon GH, again the side made by second and first letter, is equal to AC, third and second letter. Here FG is third and second letter, and we get part first proved. This way question number 10 will be completed. Next I will be doing tomorrow.